Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
You need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
Pretty sure Snotlout's available.
He only has eyes for your mom.
Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.